everyone, today we'll be making chocolate cake in a microwave. Step 1, wash your hands with soap and don't forget to wash your thumbs. The ingredients: you will need a 1/4 cup of plain flour, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, use less for a lighter flavor, 1/8 teaspoons of baking powder, pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extra. Mix the dry ingredients in a large mug. Stir in the wet ingredients. A bit gooey. Just like that. Really slowly so you don't spill anything out of the bowl. Well, I should say mug. Make sure you get the lumpy bits out, and then if you feel free to lick the spoon, lick the spoon. Cook the microwave around 1 minute and 45 seconds on high. For smaller microwave, you may need to increase the time. You may stand on the stool if you're too little. Once it's cooked from the microwave, be careful, it will be very, very hot. You get a skewer or a metal stick, stick it in there. If it comes out really clean like this, it should be okay for you to eat. Just be very careful, it will still be hot. Bye!